Hey there everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we're nearing the end of the month. At the end of this month, some major things will be happening to me, and for those of you who have been subscribing to and watching my videos for quite a long while already, I feel that I really have the need to share these news with you guys because they're pretty important for this channel. On the 26th of February, I'll be moving back to Jakarta, Indonesia, so I'll not be living in Germany anymore. And I'll be in Indonesia all the way until late August, and by then I'll move to the Netherlands to study starting September. This means that during the time between March and August, I'll not be able to make any new videos at all, and you would see me getting less active than usual. So please guys, just don't unsubscribe. Hang in there because I got some content ready. You guys probably didn't expect that, didn't you? So right now I made about 12 videos already, give or take 2 videos. I think I made a little over 12 videos, which is a good thing. And I uploaded about half them already, but I set them to private. I hadn't released everything yet and hadn't uploaded everything yet. And currently, I'm not going to release them until starting when I move back to Indonesia. So during this time, while I'm not able to make any new videos, I will release these pre-made videos at the right time, which means that you'll be seeing me upload new content every 2 weeks or once a month. So that's still safe, I guess. So I guess you guys don't really need to unsubscribe to my channel at all. But these news might pose as bad news for those of you who love to request things for me, such as you cats out there who love to request the kind of hairstyles you want to see me do for future video ideas, or what kind of pomades you want me to review. I won't be able to make any new videos at all until September or October. So you have to wait that long if you have any requests. So if you have any requests, any single kind of request, please don't hesitate to actually drop any of these comments and suggestions in my videos anytime. Feel free to do so. I'll still be able to comment on my channel, and you would see me comment on other videos as well. I'm still able to engage with you guys on YouTube, but and I'll see your comments and everything, but I won't be making any new videos. Basically, I'll still be pretty relatively active on YouTube, but not in the fact of uploading videos. I won't be uploading any new videos at all, but releasing pre-made videos, yes, I will. So there's that. Those of you who love to request me to make to give videos based on your questions and ideas, you really have to wait that long until October. So these news might kind of be neutral or bad depending on which side you're on, but these aren't really good news either, but they're more likely on the neutral side because you would still actually see me upload content every once in a while in order not to keep my channel super silent and to still have the viewers and subscribers keep coming in. And one of the reasons why I was so active last month, in January, up to the point where I was uploading a video every 3 or 4 days, I upload 2 or 3 videos per week, is actually because, yes, I took this consideration into mind that I'll be leaving sooner than I expected. But I was stupid enough not to think about the private setting idea, which means that during that time I actually thought that because I'm gonna leave soon, I have to make and upload as many videos as possible, and so I rush and upload many videos like at once, which was actually a really stupid idea because suddenly at the end of January I had the idea to make new videos and upload everything at once and set them all to private so that nobody will know anything and won't see anything, but when the time is right I'll set it to public mode, and voila, a new video will be released to my subscribers and to the rest of the world. And I really hadn't thought of that idea at all. But luckily, I have enough content to get me through and you guys through the rest of the half year, so you won't really be disappointed, and you probably won't have to leave my channel. So I got some content prepared for all of you cats out there. And I already covered discussed what's going to happen in the very near future of my channel and what's going on in the present of my channel. So right now, I'll be revealing a small sneak peek, a very, very vague outline onto the future of my channel. So on October, I will already have owned, used, and possessed the three types of Brylcreem around the world: American, British, and Asian Brylcreem. So that means I'll be the very first person on YouTube to actually release a comparison video highlighting different types of Brylcreem around the world. I'll be majorly contrasting American and European Union Brylcreem because that's what most people are willing to see. But I'll also really bring up the Asian Brylcreem significantly because not many people are aware at all that there are different versions of non-US Brylcreem. They think that whatever comes inside a red pot are all the same, but really Asian Brylcreem and EU Brylcreem are very, very different from each other, even though they both come in red pots and not in tubes. They're just super different from each other, so I'm willing to discuss all this in my channel. So in fact, I'm actually willing to release a Brylcreem playlist or a little series with Brylcreem if I'm willing to, so there'll be one video about the differences between Brylcreem around the world, another video about history of Brylcreem, and another one covering the why there are so many different variants of Brylcreem around the world, and finally one separate video for each review for each type of Brylcreem. So that'll be about 6 videos in the series or playlist. And one more thing, you guys in the greaser community would be probably more excited about the future of my channel because I won't only be posting pomade and hair product reviews like how I intended this channel to be mostly about. I'll also be doing vlogs from the Asian greaser and about the greaser community. And I'll be giving you some greaser style tips if possible. And I'll also be talking about my origin story and just even about myself in general and how I am as a greaser. So you'll be seeing more vlogs from me, so that's kind of a new thing. Obviously, I'll still be doing the hair product reviews because that's the main thing about my channel, what I started it for. So mainly you'll be seeing pomade, tonic, and hair cream reviews, but mostly pomades, and some greaser vlogs occasionally. So yes, you guys, I'm gonna have a whole channel filled with vlogs. This whole channel will be filled with vlogs as well sometimes, so you have something to look forward to if you're into that stuff, or if you're interested about my life story or anything, or how I became a greaser and all. So there's that. And I don't know what else to say because I think I already said everything I needed to. So I'll just for now I'll just say, for those of you who have been with me in this channel from the start since ever I created this channel, I thank you guys for all the support. I didn't expect to make it this far. I thought I'd probably stop after about 10 videos, but hey, it's already been over 20 videos right now, and I have a lot more videos to release, and it's not even 4 months, and I'm already near 200 subscribers. I didn't expect to grow this fast at such a short period of time. So everyone, I really, really thank you for all the support you've given me, and for my close friends in the greaser community, I really thank you for being there with me through it all, and to really give me the love and support from you guys to actually help me grow this channel and to keep it alive and kicking till now, and even to support me as an individual in general with your sense of humor and all, and we defend each other's asses against other internet trolls and keyboard warriors and whatsoever. So I really, really thank each and every one of you who are in the community and have talked to me before, especially for those of you who have been close to me, particularly my social club, the Grease and Alley Cats, or the GAC, which is, the club logo is actually my profile picture of this channel. So To you cats at GAC, thank you. To the Ozark Greaser, Ryan Dolan, you guys know him as Ozark Greaser. Thank you as well. I really, really thank you, man. In fact, he's the one who will be giving me the American Brill creams to review at the in the future of my channel. So, and every one of you cats that I didn't mention yet, I also thank you guys. So I should just sign off right now before this video gets too long for the rest of you. So I shall wrap it up and say good luck. Thank you very much for all the love and support. And keep it greasy. Stay tuned. I'll be back.